In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a date and price range on Tradingview with a quick and easy guide that you can start using right away. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the asset and time frame you want to analyze. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the section that contains the forecasting and measurement tools. This is where Tradingview keeps things like long and short position tools, bars pattern, and the tool we're focusing on today. Go ahead and click on the forecasting and measurement tools icon to open that mini menu. From the list that appears, select the option called Date and Price Range. This tool lets you quickly measure how much price has moved over a specific period of time, which is incredibly helpful for backtesting, planning trades, or reviewing past market behavior. Once the tool is selected, bring your cursor onto the chart and click on the first point where you want your range to begin. This could be a swing low, a swing high, or just the start of a move you want to measure. After placing the first point, move your mouse to the second point on the chart where you want the range to end and click again. Tradingview will now draw a box that spans both the time and the price between those 2 points. Inside that box, you'll see information like how many bars or candles are included, the number of days, and the percentage and absolute price change. This is what makes the date and price range so powerful. At a glance, you can see how long a move took and how large it was in price terms. You're not locked into your first placement though. You can click and drag the entire range to move it anywhere on the chart. You can also grab the edges to extend or shorten it if you want to refine your measurement. If you want it to match your style, you can customize it. Click on the range so the little toolbar appears. From there, you can open templates, choose a different color, adjust the background color, and set the line and text colors. You can also change the line width to make it thinner or bolder, depending on how visible you want it. For deeper customization, click on the settings icon. Here, you can fine-tune how the tool displays information. If you have a setup you like, you can save it as a template so you can apply the same style later with one click. If you don't want to accidentally move the range while working on your chart, click the lock icon. This keeps it fixed in place until you unlock it. When you're done with a range, you can remove it using the remove option in the small toolbar. You'll also see 3 dots or a more menu next to the tool. This gives you additional options related to the tool's behavior and how it appears in your favorites. Overall, the date and price range tool is great for analyzing historical moves, comparing different swings, and planning potential targets and time projections on Tradingview. Once you start using it regularly, it becomes a simple but very powerful part of your charting workflow.